Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Justin and today I'm joined by my friend yet again, Jessica. You may have seen her in my other videos. Today we're going to be playing the Water War Challenge. So how this is going to work is the person with the highest card wins. We're going to show you first before we let each other know what card it is. And then the person that wins gets to splash one of their cups at the other person. There's going to be a total of 4 cups. First person to lose all 4 of their cups gets to, they get to pour this over the loser. So we'll see what happens. You ready?
Nope.
No?
So who goes first?
We're gonna go at the same time.
Oh, okay.
So
then we, okay,
ready?
Set.
Go. Oh!
Yay! So, I'm just gonna...
So cool!
Yeah! Oh my gosh!
Alright, so that's 1 cup. Alright, so we'll just put these somewhere on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, next one.
I'm so nervous now.
You ready?
No!
Alright, next card.
Okay.
1, 2. You can splash it also.
Well, just because you wanted to. Ladies, don't get too excited. I know it's a white shirt, but...
Oh my god. Alright, ready?
Alright.
1, 2, 3. No!
I'm so excited. Alright. How should we do this?
This sucks. Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes!
No. I'm so...
You ready?
I'm trying to take off my glasses. Great.
That was payback.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, ready? Alright.
Alright.
Ready?
1,
2, 3. Oh, 4!
okay,
Alright, so it's 1,
Okay, wait. 1, 2.
2,
Ah.
3, and then the last one. Ready? Or so show it to them.
Would you?
Yeah!
No. So good. I said nothing. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Okay. This is crazy. Oh my god.
Okay, ready? Show the card. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the last one.
That means I win.
Okay, wait, hang on. So, she won.
Yay.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay, just for
Oh, that's warm.
That's
Oh, okay. I want to thank my friend Jessica
Yay!
for doing this challenge with me.
I'm so happy.
Support my Patreon. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm gonna leave a link to her channel in the link in the description below. I'll see you on the next time. Oh.